out of the bag, hon. Alex, sweetheart, will you go to the one side? Oh, that's fine.
Who's this from?
Is there? Wait, there's a card.
Oops, sorry.
Wait.
It was on the top of there.
Is it a cow?
Look at me. Let me see. Oh, your favorite. Let me see, Colin.
Stupid snip.
Oh, look at Mama.
Who got him that?
Grandpa.
Cute. Maybe Papa can open that for you.
A Snooper Snap?
Here.
That's from Papa Farm? Wait, where's the car? Oh.
Maurice's.
What?
Hot diggity.
Yeah. Okay.